Okay, so this is work in progress, setting up the mechanics for Kamov KA-50 project. So this is the Sovtech CTX-5FBL coaxial mechanics. So this is a proper cyclic collective yaw pitch mixing, where the yaw control is done by increasing the pitch of one set of the blades, which creates a difference in the torque momentum, which in turn causes the helicopter to yaw. So you see both of them are counter-rotating. This mechanics has some modifications from Vario, including a modification to the swash plate and a different placement of the servos, which makes it better. I'm gonna be running it with Bavarian Demon, a set of KST servos. I got a Kontronik Pyro 6-cell motor with this, and this will run on a Kontronik Kolibri 90 amp ESC. So now I'm just waiting for some push rods and a tool to make a custom push rods between the swash plates. This requires a bit of a different length than the stock setup. I will make a video on how to make custom push rods, but yes, I mean, if you look at this head, this is epic. And in the meantime, working on finishing the design of the fuselage in CAD, and slowly we'll start 3D printing. So this will be running main rotor diameter will be 1.1 meters and the fuselage itself will be around 1.5 meters. So this is gonna be 1/10 scale. So stay tuned, this is gonna be an amazing project.